Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Youssef Swatt, that is first time on Garden Guitar for sure. And this song is called Générique de Fin. This is French. And I looked it up, it translates into credits. I'm not French speaking, but I thought this song is cool. I like the rhythm and the song, how it goes. So this is for you French subscribers and all you French watching people, and perhaps just fans of Youssef Swatt. So let's take a look at this one. We're going to use a capo on 6 here. So put the capo on 6 for it. And with that, we have 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. We're going to use A minor, F, D minor, and E. So let's go over the chords. And it goes with A minor first, which is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. F, which is the bar chord. We play the bar on the first fret, you cross all the strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have D minor next, and it goes open D, second G, third B, and first E, and then the final chord will be E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we have this song. It goes what I would call in the same way through the entire song when it comes to the strumming. It goes down in tempo later, so I can just tell how to handle that. But mainly we have the strumming that goes in the same way. So if you grab the first chord, the A minor, one string around goes like this. All right, so that is first a down, and you're gonna clap. And then comes up, up, down, clap. So down, clap, up, down, clap. Okay, so that is one string around, and guess what? You're gonna play one of these string arounds per chord in the same order we learned the chords. So A minor, 1, F1, D minor 1, and E1. And just some technical stuff here to make your life a little bit easier between the chord switches. When you have the F, okay, you keep that second on G. That's how I do it, because that is the base for the D minor, okay? So from F to D minor. If you think it's a little bit too much to release everything, you don't have to. I'm lazy, so I'm going the easiest route always. So F, D minor, and then yeah. So A minor, F, D minor, E. Let's do one string around per chord. It sounds like this. So that is how you handle this song, and I can just mention it goes down in tempo sometimes. I think it starts very mellow and down in tempo. Then you can just do one down and a clap. Okay, so down, clap, like this. So very, very easy, and I would suggest you do the clap on just the E string, so you have the strings and notes ring out during the time, since you don't work that much at all on the string. So down and a clap on the E string, and then you switch chord, do that once per chord, and there you have the other way of handling this song. So yeah, that is basically it. A minor, F, D minor, and E. Good luck with Générique de Fin. This is Garden Guitar signing out. Play tuned.